everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to today's video, and today we're going on my spring 2021 Causebox. So I've been getting this subscription. This might be the last one in my annual subscription. I did pay for an annual subscription, which does give you more choices, or doesn't give you more items, but it gives you can select more choices, if that makes sense. This is the book that you get in every Causebox, which I do love because it tells you a little bit about each of the products, and then I can also remember, it helps me when I'm making these videos to see what my choices were. So let's go ahead and get started. So it does here say in this impact report that annual members had the option to customize their box from the following group selections. The Causebox team made selections for quarterly members. So this is just like the FabFitFun box, but here it looks like the entire box was picked for quarterly members. So if you're going to subscribe for a Causebox, I definitely highly recommend doing an annual subscription, because while there's sometimes one or more items that I want in a group, there's never one group that I would be fine with, any of the items. So if you're going to be paying, I think it just makes it more of a value if you just pay up front and get the annual subscription. Not everybody could afford it because it is, I think, $200. It runs $49.95 for each quarter. So obviously an annual subscription is just about $200, but again, I kind of see it, if you're going to like more of the items, it's going to help. So the first item is the Feed Projects Canvas Market Tote. It's $108 value, and you got to choose, or annual subscribers got to choose one of these three colors, which was Glacial Gray, Coastal Stripe, and Sea Blue. And it says, hunger is the daily reality for 795 million people around the world. With this tote, you are part of solution by helping to provide schools meals to kids in need. So I chose the Sea Blue. So it says it's $108 value. I don't think I'd pay $108 for this, but I do like it. And I do think, I could see if I'm running to the store and I'm going to pick up a few items, I could absolutely bring this. I do try and bring my own bags. I typically forget, but this is something where if I'm just going to pick up a few items, it has a lot of pockets, which I like. It has a zipper, so I do really like it. I like this color blue. It's kind of like a turquoise blue, but, and this bag provides 3 meals to feed. So I think that this is beautiful. It's a really nice bag. This was the color that I like. The light blue was really pretty and the stripe was nice too. However, I tend to get things dirty, so I went with the darker color. Okay, so for item number 2, I had 3 choices, and the first choice was the Palm and Perkins set of 4 upcycled napkins, $38 value. The next was the Nimble Champ Light Portable Charger, a $49.95 value, or the Diff Charitable Eyewear, the Fin C Tortoise Blue Light Glasses, an $85 value. So I actually got a pair of tortoise glasses or blue light glasses in another box. I absolutely love them. I use them all the time. I've been with my work, I've been on meetings for about a week, and all day 8-hour Zoom meetings, and I've been wearing the glasses and I was getting headaches, and it definitely helped with my headache. So I did need another pair of those, but if you ever see those in a box, choose them. If you get headaches and you're on a computer a lot, absolutely choose them. So I chose the charger, and let's see, here it is. It's the little box, and it's a pretty heavy duty charger, but it's a nice size. So I do really like it, and I, with going to Disney World and always having my camera or my phone and using all the apps, I always need an extra charger. I do use the fuel rod. You can exchange them, but this looks like it's definitely going to be something a little heavy duty and going to give more juice to my either phone or my my camera. So definitely really like this. Really happy to select this. And actually reading about it, it says, power on the go, this portable charger will give you 2 full phone charges fast. Nimble is making tech more sustainable with their eco-friendly materials, and 1 for each tech recovery project. So it's made from bioplastics and recycled aluminum, and Nimble recycles 1 pound of e-waste for every product sold. So now I feel good. So number 3 was an item that was in every box, so there was no choice, and it is the Stress Check Sleep Spray by This Works. And it says, put your stress and anxiety to bed, made with 100% natural essential oils. Spritz your pillow with this sleep spray and enjoy its naturally calming and relaxing effects. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and all packaging is fully recyclable and biodegradable. So I've had this before, and I've also had the cream, the night cream that you put on. I love it. It definitely helps me sleep. It helps me relax. I spray my pillow. I love this. I've definitely used different versions. This is definitely one of my favorite. Really, really happy this was here. I probably would have selected it if it was a choice. So really happy this was there. Okay, so for item number 4, there was 3 choices. First is the Glass Laddering Company Catherine Tech Organizer Roll, $35 value. The Stojo Collapsible 16-ounce cup, a $20 value. And the Maji, Sport Stretch and Exercise Bands pack of 3, a $24.95 value. So again, the Tech Roll, I really don't see myself using, and the bands, I have bands like that, so love them. They're great. I use them all the time. So I chose the collapsible cup, and this is, so here it is. I like the color too, and I don't think I had a choice of a color, but so it does. So I guess it goes like that. Let's see, and then let's see, pull it out. Maybe should have done this off camera. Okay, well, at least you know it collapses. But I know it opened because I did try this before. Okay, it's a little harder than I thought. Okay, let's see. Maybe if I open it, if you open it, it's easier. So there's the key, open it. Okay, so then you open it, it has the straw inside, and you can just, so I like this. It looks like, let's see what it says. It says, as New York City dads, the founders of Stojo know a thing or two about living on the go. This cup makes BYO way more convenient with its innovative collapsible design. It's made from the world's safest silicone, BPA-free, mercury-free, lead-free, free of all California Prop 65 substances. And swapping out a Stojo for a daily disposable cup saves 16 pounds of solid waste, 23 pounds of greenhouse gas emissions, and 281 gallons of water. So I really like this. I do sometimes bring cups and stuff, so I think this is great. Really convenient. Obviously, you know to open it before you try to collapse it or open it, but really great. You know, I like it. Probably not something I would have bought on my own, but I'm glad to have it. Okay, so for number 5, there were 3 choices. The first is the Pure Lit Mist Illuminating Setting Spray, $24 value. The Provence Apothecary Regenerating Exfoliator and Resurfacing Mask, a $36 value. Or the 3 Ships Lip Treatment Kit, a $30 value. And I went with the lip treatment kit. So it says, your lips deserve some love. This duo delivers with a yummy vanilla exfoliator to scrub away dull skin and a buttercream mask that hydrates and rejuvenates. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, and it's committed to affordability and accessibility. So this is probably something that I will use more in the wintertime. I don't really need it right now, but I do tend to get dry lips in the wintertime, so that's one of the reasons why I chose it. I have a lot of setting sprays, and I have a lot of masks right now, so this was something that I didn't have. I'm not even gonna try to open it. I just tried and can't get it. But yeah, I definitely think it's something that I need, probably not right now, but excited to have it, and I'll definitely use it at some point. And the 6th and final item was also something that everybody got in their box, and it is the Ades New York Power Couple Nail Care Duo, a $36 value. And it says, this custom for Causebox Dynamic Duo will strengthen dry, brittle nails and keep your cuticles in tip-top shape. It's free from the top 12 toxic chemicals most often used in nail products. and it's Leaping Buddy certified, cruelty-free, and vegan. And probably this is one of those things that I probably would have chosen for myself if it had been a choice. So the 2 items that were in every box were 2 items that I probably would have chosen anyway. So I was really excited to see that this was going to be in it. My nails are bad, and they're actually getting better. But I've been using nail oil, I've been using treatments, and trying to just get them, they just crack and they peel, and I'm just really working on it. So I was very excited to see this. So this is, I believe, the cuticle, or this is the treatment, and then this is the oil. So really great, really excited that this was in here. So that's it. That is my Causebox for spring 2021. Again, this video is not sponsored. I paid for my subscription myself, but I have to say, I'm pretty sure this is my favorite box so far. I love everything in the box. There are definitely items that I maybe wouldn't have picked up myself, but I'm definitely going to use them. I don't think there's anything I won't use. So did I get my $50 value of this box? Absolutely. I think the charger alone, I probably would have spent that getting the charger. So really, really happy with this box. I think it was a fantastic deal. This box, I was really kind of unsure if I was going to keep and renew my subscription, but this one was such a home run. I think I'm gonna, renew my annual subscription. We will see. So this was, again, my Causebox for spring 2021. As of recording this video, it is still available to purchase. I will post a link below. They sometimes are available to purchase right, for a while, and then they also have like a starter box. Once they sell out of the box, then they'll have a starter box, so you can start a subscription at any time. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.